Okay folks, I'm going to do a cool video today. I saw this one on YouTube myself and I thought, well, that's got to be bull, but I thought I'd give it a go. We're going to do how to freeze a bottle of water in 1 second. So the concept behind this is that you're going to put it in the freezer for an allotted period of time without agitating it. You want to use purified water, so water in a bottle or water out of your machine. We're going to let it sit in the freezer for, it says 2.5 hours to 2 hours and 45 minutes. I did do this before and it took me about 3 hours and 10 minutes, so it's definitely relevant to the temperature of your freezer. I've got my freezer set at 6, I believe, so somewhere between 5 and 7 is probably doable. And we're going to let it sit for about 3 hours. You want to constantly be watching it. If it gets to a point where you can see little bits of ice crystals forming in the bottle, you've taken it too far. So you'd need to start over again, but you would mark that time and then subtract 15 minutes. So that 15 minutes is the time frame where those little ice particles are going to start. So if you got it just before that, you're right on the money where it needs to be. So I'm going to go put this in the freezer. I'm going to come back in about 3 hours or so, and we're going to give this a go, and it's very, very cool when it works. So I'll come back. Okay, so I'm back. It's now 6:10. So we've done our allotted time, and I just want to show you. The idea behind this is 2 hours and 45 minutes, okay? That's what you want to be at. You can't really see it that well right now, but I want crystals. So I want to see crystals just start in the bottle. That looks pretty clear to me, so there's no crystals in that. The idea is take it to a place where you start to see the ice crystals forming, and as soon as you see that, you want to subtract 15 minutes from your freeze time. So I'll come back when we get close to that point. Okay, so I think she's ready. Right now it is 6:41. So we are 30 minutes past our 2.5 hour mark. That's 3 hours that we've had it in for. I just checked it. It looks like it's right there. So again, this is my first time, so we're not going to screw around with it. We're going to try to get one out. We're going to try to make it work, and then we'll go from there. So let me just grab her. We're going to pull her out and see how it works out. I think I just did it by accident. So we've got water in it, right? Let's see if I can... So it didn't freeze all the way for me, so maybe that's not it, but it's got... Let's open it and see if we can do the ice pour thing. Okay, so I got the little flute glass here. Okay, so that's a complete failure. Complete failure. Okay folks, Mitchell's here. We've done 3 hours and 10 minutes at this point in time. I tried this yesterday once and it completely didn't work out. I brought it out, showed it to the camera, bang, nothing happened. Very discouraging, so I figured, well, this is all hocus, and I turned the camera off. I went back in the freezer and grabbed the second bottle, and I gave it the pap off camera and it froze instantly. So again, we're doing the how to freeze water in 1 second. She's been in here for 3 hours and about 10 minutes. We're going to take one out and see if it works. So, you want to be very, 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 very soft with it. We don't, oh, let's not. We don't want to bang it around. And we're going to try this and see if it works. Oh, look at that, it did. Yes, sir. Look at that. Is that freaking cool or what? One shot, the whole bottle just froze. Can you see that? That is very, very cool. Let's see if we can do the other one here. Nice and soft. Okay. There's the bottle. Nice and see-through. We're going to give it a whap. Boom. Look at that. That is very cool, man. And the whole bottle's frozen now. That is a cool trick. How to freeze water in 1 second. Look at that. She's froze town, buddy. I'm all kinds of impressed with that. 3 hours and 10 minutes, liquid water to ice in 1 second. Thanks for watching.